Welcome to the latest edition of Gene and Cell Therapy Updates, covering recent breakthroughs in the field, brought to you by Lucid Quest. GenSight has received regulatory authorization in Israel for the early access of GS010 LUMEVOQ in ND4LHON patients. This approval allows for individual patient access with physician initiation, ethics committee approval, and ministry authorization. Bilateral injections are expected in Q1 2026, offering urgent treatment to those with debilitating vision loss. In France, GS010 LUMEVOQ has been granted compassionate use authorization by the ANSM for ND4LHON patients, expanding early access options for those with serious and rare diseases ahead of pivotal trial data. In Abu Dhabi, the first global administration of ITVISMA, an onasemnogene abeparvovec gene therapy, was delivered to SMA patients aged 2 and older. ITVISMA, which replaces the defective SMN1 gene, was granted accelerated approval in the United Arab Emirates, highlighting the growing adoption of gene therapies for older SMA patients. CRISPR Therapeutics shared promising updates on Zugo-cel, a CRISPR-edited CAR-T therapy in autoimmune diseases and relapsed refractory large B-cell lymphoma. In autoimmune diseases, a patient with SLE achieved drug-free remission by month 6. In B-cell malignancies, Zugo-cel showed a 90% overall response rate and a 70% complete response rate at a 600 million cell dose. These results support further development and combination studies. Sangamo Therapeutics has initiated a rolling BLA submission for ST920, a gene therapy for Fabry disease. The therapy showed positive results in the STAR study, with a significant improvement in eGFR at 52 weeks, making it a promising one-time treatment for Fabry patients. Ultragenyx has completed its BLA submission for DTX401 in Glycogen Storage Disease, Type 1A. The Phase 3 Glycogen study showed significant improvements in euglycemia and reduced cornstarch intake in 52 patients, with up to 6 years of follow-up data. Hope Biosciences has reported positive results from its Phase 2 trial of adipose-derived autologous mesenchymal stem cell therapy in Parkinson's disease. The therapy improved motor function with 6 intravenous infusions over 32 weeks. It was safe and well tolerated, supporting progression to Phase 3 trials. The FDA has approved Yartemlya, the first MASP2 inhibitor, for the treatment of thrombotic microangiopathy in stem cell transplant patients. With a complete response rate of 61 to 68% and a 100-day survival rate of 73 to 74%. This approval provides a life-saving option for thrombotic microangiopathy patients. CAR-003, an AAV gene therapy for AMD, will soon be delivered intravitreally in doctors' offices through a partnership with Vector Builder. This office-based approach could expand accessibility to gene therapy, transforming treatment for AMD. Taysha Gene Therapies has made progress with TSHA-102, a gene therapy for Rett Syndrome. The first patient has been dosed in the REVEAL trial, and the FDA has agreed to include ASPIRE study data in the BLA submission. Completion of both trials is expected by Q2 2026, supporting an accelerated regulatory pathway for Rett syndrome gene therapy. Stay ahead in gene and cell therapy research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lq